YouTube. What's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. And y'all already see what we got going on here in today's video. G87 M2 outside bod. It's currently, let's see, 7:51 p.m. right now. I just linked up with my boy. We about to go to the gym right now. You already know, bro. I already told you how this gym flow go. But yeah, let me show y'all. Sheesh. Yeah, linked up with my boy. About to head to the gym right now. Get a little work in. Know the vibes. We here. Sheesh, got a load of this thing, man. We here. Sheesh. Little Type S M2 action going on here. What do you know about that? Sheesh. Whew. For all y'all that don't know, it's fucking cold here in New York, man. It's fucking cold, and we out here in hoodies and shit. Fuck it though. It's all part of the, feel me? It's all part of the plot, man. Let's do this. GG's. GG's. This guy can't park, he's stuck. Oh, he's pulling out the driveway. Oh my God. That's what it's all about. A little nighttime POV drive. You and your boy in your nice cars. On our way to better yourselves at the gym. Bro, we here, man. We fucking here. 2026, man. We really starting off this shit with a bang. Let's just keep up the generational run for real though. I see another BMW up there. I don't know what that is though. Could be a 335. I'm not too sure. Not too sure, chat. I think that's a carbon trunk. Yeah, carbon trunk, Nardo gray, wrap, fire. Yo, chat, I was thinking about, I don't know, I was thinking about changing my intakes. I mean, like getting a different brand intakes. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, these intakes are fire, they sound good, but I don't know, something about them. So I was thinking about changing them out. I don't know yet. It's just a thought. There's still mad shit I gotta do to this fucking car anyways. Like, mad parts and shit I need. Supporting mods. Roll cage, seat, shifter. You know what I'm saying? There's still mad shit I gotta do to the car. You know what I mean? Plus, I still believe I could cut a lot more weight in the car still. So I'm gonna try my best to still do that. What else? Front splitter, canards. Nigga over here revving some shit. Yeah, like I said, there's still a lot of, like, I got a big list still needed to be done for the car. Fuck. Yeah, I can't wait till it gets fucking warm out here, chat. I'm not gonna lie, like, woo, the content, the vibes, gonna be so crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie, chat. Still mad things like, fuck. Y'all ever just think about like all the shit you gotta do and then get overwhelmed and be like, fuck, and like, you know what I mean? I try not to think like that, but you know what I mean? It's in our human nature to be doing shit like that. Chat, we just arrived at the gym. About to bust this quick wop. First we gotta find parking first. Why the fuck is he? Woo! Gym looking sturdy, dirty. Fuck, you know what I mean? Nah, gym looking packed as always. It's always the new year, new me fuck niggas is here. It is what it is. I appreciate the grind. I respect it, chat. I respect it. But yeah, we here. If we could get a fucking park in. GG's. G fucking G's, boys. Alright, chat. So me and my boy, we just left the gym. Valid workout today. It's always easier. The gym always a bit easier when you go with a partner, my brothers and sisters. Remember that. Like I said, y'all need to get y'all lazy asses up and get that ass in the gym, boy. But nah, let me stop. But we on the way home right now. I'll do a little chill cruise. Come on, bro. We could speed this up a little bit. Boy. I can't wait to make this car a bit louder. I'm not gonna lie to you. Just a little bit louder. Nothing too crazy. Perhaps a tune? Do I gotta break this shit down though? And the car fucking handles, boy. This car can fucking handle. I can't wait to get this bit on the track, boy. Intake in, boy. Yeah, man, car handles, man. Boy. Like I said, man, make sure y'all go to your local BMW dealership and pick you up one of these M cars, man, with the highest interest rate. I'm telling y'all, y'all won't regret it. Just a little tip from Chef. Make sure you get the highest interest rate, the highest one. I'm telling y'all boys, man, should have changed your life for real. When people fucking break on these turns, boy. Like, if you could steer, I seen something on Instagram today. Somebody said this. They said, yo, if you could steer the wheel as much as it can go, the car will literally do the rest. You know what I mean? And that was so fucking real. That was the realest advice I've ever heard. Because it's dead ass the truth. Like, bro, the car can handle it. I'm telling y'all, the car can handle it. And y'all not going that fast. You know what I'm saying? It's just a driver thing, bro. Driver's mod is real. Driver's mod is real. Bump on this shit. Fucking hate that bump. Y'all see what I'm saying though? Like, the fucking car can handle just fine. There's a fucking crazy dip over here though. I'm not gonna lie to nobody. And this guy's next to me, so. Ooh! Alright, that wasn't too bad. Whoa! What the fuck is going on over there? Hella torquey, boy. Yo, this fucking shit is so gas. What the fuck is this? Oh, let me get next to this shit. This shit is fucking gas. Let me see what this is. What that say, chat? I can't see too good. My vision is fucking shot. I think that says something about RS something. Shit is fucking gas though. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be so real with y'all. I'm a fan of Audis. Like, I genuinely feel like Audis are a good looking car. The outside is fire, the interior is fire. I feel like Audi is a really good looking car. And they fast too, you know what I mean? So I see why the beef between BMW and Audi is a thing. They're comp. I ain't gonna lie, they're dead comp. shit is fire though, I ain't gonna lie. This shit is dead gas. I like the color too. I just can't see what the fuck it is, bro. Oh, whatever. Shit's fire though. Whoa, we braking hard, yeah, fuck. We braking dumb hard. Roads are so shot, bro. I don't know why he keeps hitting his brakes so much though. Turbo, turbo, turbo. Whoa, what's this pulling up behind me, chat? It's giving X3. Don't know if it's an M or not, though. It's definitely giving X3. Yeah, it was a regular X3, chat. There we go. Oh shit, fuel low? That's a fucking shocker, huh? Alright, chat. I'm probably gonna end the video off here. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Keep doing what y'all doing. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, road to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the love and support. And yeah, chef out.